Good morning. So I wanted to talk to you more about portals and gateways. So what are they anyway, right? And where do you travel to? Well, we're not exactly traveling with our minds. I mean, with our bodies, right? We're traveling to other places that our consciousness has access to. Places that it does not serve us not to access and utilize the information that's there in order to be holistic beings living on the planet the way we were meant to, which is connected in a kind of an awareness and consciousness of many other things besides ourselves. And when we do this, we feel so fed. It really is the antidote many of us are searching for. So when you're traveling through a portal, and I'm actually going to switch the camera because I can't really see what and I need to. So unfortunately, you lose so much depth of field in a photograph. So you're really not seeing much beyond the first trees here, but there's an openness to the depth of the forest through that opening that is so inviting, and the way the light is playing inside the forest, it calls my heart in different ways, right? So if we were traveling, and I'm going to step back because I want to see, it doesn't really show you more of what I'm seeing. I think it perhaps shows you less. And if I zoom in, I don't know. Well, anyway, that is, from my perspective, standing here, a very clear, powerful portal. And it's divided in half, which is fascinating. This tree right here divides this opening that's right there on either side of it. And if we were traveling physically, we'd have to pick one side or the other, right? But when you are traveling outside of your body, simply using your eyes to go within and pick a spot to focus on and start to be there, become aware of what you're able to be aware of when you are there. Gather information. And the fascinating thing is that you will often find your mind wandering. And it is through where your mind wanders that the connection and communication that you are meant to receive will come to you. You see why this is such a deeply personal experience. No one can tell you what you will find. No one can tell you anything about it, except for that it exists for each of us. And it will deepen unbelievably your ability to feel good in this world. Do you have to choose a side? Why not just enter?